Today we're talking stairs and taking a dive into what you need to know. I'll cover stair widths, lengths, landings, rise and going, headroom, handrails and balustrades. This will help you step in the right direction. I'm Ben and I'm a former building inspector and now run ProjectWise, specialising in supporting builders and homeowners through every stage of their build. I'm going to share the technical things that you need to know about stairs, specifically for domestic dwellings. Let's jump straight in. A domestic stair should be 900mm wide. A stair should not have a single flight longer than 36 rises in one direction. Above 36 rises, the stair should change direction by 30 degrees. A landing must be at least the same length as the width of the stairs. A domestic stair should have a rise between 150mm and 220mm and a going between 220mm and 300mm. All steps must be level and all rise and going must be consistent throughout the whole flight of the stairs. The maximum pitch for a domestic stair is 42 degrees. Stairs can have open risers, but the tread must overlap by a minimum of 16mm and the open riser must have a gap no bigger than 100mm. When walking up a stairs, you need a minimum headroom of 2 metres. This is measured from pitch to pitch. For stairs into lofts, the headroom can be reduced to 1.9 metres, but only at the discretion of the building inspector, as per approved document K, diagram 1.4. A domestic flight of stairs must have at least one handrail, unless over 1 metre wide, where it would require one on each side. A handrail must be installed between 900mm and 1 metre, and handrails must project 300mm past the stairs. Balustrading or landing must be a minimum of 900mm high. Balustrading must be non-climbable and have open gaps no wider than 100mm. Balustrading must be installed where the drop is more than 600mm. If there are 3 or more steps, it must have a continuous handrail. Now you know the technical requirements for domestic stairs, you can step forward in confidence. ProjectWise specialises in supporting builders and homeowners with technical advice and support during their build project. Visit beprojectwise.co.uk to learn more about what we offer and how we can help you. We can also design a custom package tailored to your needs. We're passionate about construction and we're dedicated to seeing your project succeed.